Hi every Hi everyone. Today I'm going to make a homemade trap for the fruit flies. Um, so it only needs two things. I got this one. This is a buttermilk. So I put like around 250 ml of buttermilk, and I left it outside for a few days. So it has been sitting from last at least 3 days, and it started to smell little vinegary kind of, like fermented kind of smell. The other thing you need is unrefined cane sugar, which is also called jaggery. I'm just going to show you. So it looks like this. It's a jaggery. It's a cane sugar, unrefined. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a piece like that, 30, 25 grams maybe, and I'm going to melt it in close to 300 ml of water. There's two things you can do with the melting. You can leave it like that overnight and it usually dissolves. Otherwise you can heat it up on a gas stove and let it cool. So once these two mixtures are prepared, then we're going to mix them together, and I'll show you that in a while. So the jaggery is now fully dissolved in the water. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix it with the buttermilk. The buttermilk is sitting from last few days, and you can see it's a little fermented. You can smell it. So I'm just going to mix it. Give it a good shake. Okay. Now we're going to leave it again for a few hours, like 3-4 hours, so that it settles in, and then I'll put it in in a bottle. I'll show you that one in a while. So this mixture is sitting from last hour and a half. I'm going to put this mixture into a glass bottle. This is a glass bottle, and then I'm going to make some holes at the top for flies to get into it. So I fill the mixture in the plastic bottle. I'm going to make some holes. Okay, so I made some holes at the top of the bottle. This is almost probably 1/5 filled water bottle, and some holes at the top. And I'm going to hang this one in the tree, and I'll show you in a bit. So I'm now hang the bottle with a solution onto the tree canopy, approximately 5.5 feet in height. I'll show you the result which I did with other ones that I did last week and last week. So this is the one I did 2 weeks ago, and it has a lot of fruit flies and other flies in there, but no honeybees or any bees species. This is another one which is under a lime tree. As you can see, this was done actually 3 weeks ago, and it has hundreds of them, fruit flies, juveniles and little flies in there. So it does attract a lot of flies, fruit flies in there, and it's pretty effective. Do try in your garden. It's cheap, it's natural, and it's not attracting any honeybees or bees species, which is a bonus. Yeah, let me know in comments or your views when you try this one, how this works out for you. Thank you.